In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gohighlevel with WhatsApp. We're going to walk through the setup inside Gohighlevel step by step so you can quickly find the WhatsApp integration and begin the installation process. This is a straightforward task, but knowing exactly where to click makes it much easier, especially if you're new to the platform or still getting familiar with the menu layout. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account and location where you want to add the integration. Once you're inside the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the main navigation options for your account. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This section is where Gohighlevel lists available apps and integrations that you can connect to your account. If you've never visited it before, think of it as the central place for adding extra tools and communication channels to your workspace. After the App Marketplace opens, move over to the right-hand side of the page. This is typically where you'll see the main content area update, including available apps, details, and search options. The layout may look a little different depending on updates to the platform, but the next thing you want to locate is the search bar. Once you find the search bar, click into it and type in WhatsApp. Then press enter on your keyboard to run the search. This will filter the marketplace results and help you find the WhatsApp integration much faster instead of scrolling through the full list of apps manually. When the search results appear, click on WhatsApp to open the integration page. This is where you'll be able to review the app and confirm that it's the one you want to connect with your Gohighlevel account. Take a moment here to make sure you're opening the correct option before moving forward. Finally, click on Install. This begins the integration setup process and is the key action that starts connecting WhatsApp with your Gohighlevel environment. From here, you'll usually be guided through any additional prompts required by the platform to complete the connection. And that's it for the process shown here. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the app or the page looks different, try refreshing the marketplace or repeating the search carefully. Small platform updates can shift things around, but the overall flow stays the same. Once installed, you'll be one step closer to managing WhatsApp communication directly through Gohighlevel.